Hi, welcome to the cooking spot. Today we are going to make vegetable chopsuey. First we need carrots, cabbage, green beans, garlic, onions, potatoes, corn flour, salt, pepper and coconut oil. Let's see how to make it. First put coconut oil in the pan and add garlic to it. When the garlic becomes hot, add the carrots, next add the green beans. These vegetables need to be steamed a little. Now add the potatoes. Boil the vegetables for a while, then it's enough. Next, add some onions and season with salt and pepper according to your taste. Mix corn flour with water and add the mixture to the chop suey. The corn flour mixture is added to make the chop suey gravy. Since cabbage cooks quickly, add the cabbage last. This is the vegetable chop suey I made. I have listed the ingredients for this recipe in the description. See you in another recipe like this.